Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your own digital store to sell your funnel templates. So in this page what you're seeing is my store where I have listed my top proven funnel templates that anyone can go ahead and purchase. So you can see I have my lead generation funnel here, I have a 5-day challenge, I have a paid ebook funnel, I have a waitlist funnel, and I keep on updating more funnels that I see is high converting for me. I just go ahead and share the template and list it down here on the store. I also have listed my school community here. So let's say someone wants all these templates, they can get it inside my community for just $7 per month, right? They get the funnel templates, they get email templates, and a lot more inside just for $7. But if someone just wants, one template, then they could just go ahead and purchase it from here. So this is a great idea for you as well. If you have some funnel templates, you can actually use a store to list them down and drive traffic to your store. All right, now let me show you how to set up your own store so that you can start selling your own templates. You go to System.io, click on websites, click on digital stores, and then click on create. This, I'm going to name it funnel store. Pick your domain and then your URL path. So by default, whatever name you add here, it's going to add it here as the URL path. If you want, you can always go ahead and change this. Click here. This will be your complete link that you can share with your audience and they can go visit your store once you have already built it. Then you're going to go ahead and pick your language for your store and then go ahead and click save. Now you're going to start editing your store. So if you click here on edit design, you'll be able to choose from the templates that are already available and pick one for your store. So there are plenty of templates here. You're free to pick whichever you like. This one here is pretty, so we're going to try and use this one. And then you can go ahead and play with the colors as well, right? Okay. And then you can also change your heading font. So my favorite one is Poppins, and then the body font, I can go ahead and pick Merryweather. So you can always make changes here and see which theme and font you like. Once you're satisfied, click here on Apply Theme. And now you can start adding more things to your store, like adding your picture here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a picture. And then set up your display name. So if you want, you can add your own name or you can create a name for your store. So in this case, I'm going to call it the funnel store and then add bio. So over here, I'm going to write a simple statement that lets people know what is available in the store or what is the store all about. So get high converting funnels, perfect for coaches, course creators, and freelancers. There we go. And then if you have social media links, you can go ahead and add it here. You can add your Instagram link, your TikTok, YouTube if you have, X, Facebook, LinkedIn. So whatever social media links you have, you can go ahead and drop it here. Your email as well. You can drop your email as well so people can easily email you if they have any questions or they need some guidance. You can also drop a link. So if you have your own website link, you can drop it here. And you will see that the more links you fill up, they will all show up here just beneath your bio. All right, then you go ahead and click save. Now you can start adding new products and sections. So first we're going to start with add a section, and you can call this funnel templates. add section, and then click here on add new product. And in order for you to start selling funnels templates from within a digital store, you have to click here on sell a digital download. Now keep in mind that if you're picking sell a digital download, this means that you will be selling the template from inside your store, right? Now you don't need a funnel to sell the funnel template because you're using the store to collect payments and deliver the template. All right. And this is why a store is great, because you don't need to create tens or thousands of funnels just for your funnel, just to sell your funnel template. Just list it in your digital store and set up the payment through your digital store and start selling it. And I'll show you what I mean by that. All right. So we're going to pick a header image. So let's say I want to sell one of my templates here. Let's call it the waitlist funnel. So I'm going to pick this as my header. All right. Then add your text here. So this, I'm going to call it my waitlist funnel. Buy now for, let's say, $17. And then add a little bit of information about this funnel. So get access to the waitlist funnel and build your email list faster. All right, click next, and then add an image of your product. So once again, I'm just going to pick this image for this example. I think I have a professional image here. Yep, just going to go ahead and use this one. All right, and then go ahead and add your text again here. So this is after people click to buy the product, they're going to see further information about this product. So get your hands on the waitlist funnel now. Buy now for $17. And then give a description. So get instant access to the waitlist funnel today. This funnel is designed to help you build your email list, get people interested in an offer, launch to an audience who is ready to buy your offer. Right, try to add more information on this part so people can know exactly what they're getting and what are the benefits of getting it. Okay, and then collect information. So you want to collect the email address, you want to collect their first name. If you want to add more fields like their last name, or you want to collect their phone number, then you can just click here and collect their information. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a price plan. So you click here on plus. And if this is your first time selling this template, you're going to click here on create plan. And then over here, write down the price plan. So waitlist funnel, $17. And I'm just going to copy this and paste it here and here as well. One-time payment, and then write your price, and then go ahead and save it. So this is it. So normally when you're building funnels, you will have to set up a price plan to sell your offer through the funnel. But now you can do the same with digital stores. So you don't need to create individual funnels to sell each funnel template. You just set up a store, list your funnel templates, and just set up the pricing, and you're going to sell it through your store. Okay. And then you're going to set up your payment method and click save. That's it. And then click here on next. Now you are going to upload your product. So once again, you write down the name of your product. So waitlist funnel. And then you're going to go ahead and upload the digital product. Now here is where you need to pay attention. Clearly, your funnel template is a link, right? And you cannot upload the link directly here. So what you're going to do is you're going to add an image here that's related to your funnel, okay? So I'm going to click here and I'm going to find a image that is related to my funnel. So I found one. This is the image that I'm going to upload. There we go. And then now you're going to edit the confirmation email. And this is where you're going to add the share link to your funnel, okay? So you got the waitlist funnel. Thank you for your purchase. You now have instant access to the waitlist funnel. Click on the link below to get started. Now, this is where you're going to add the share link. So you go to your funnel, and let's say this is the funnel that I want to share. So I'm going to click on this 3 dots here and then click on share, copy the link and go back to your email and paste the link here. There we go. Do not remove this, okay? This is very important. The first time I set up my store, I used to remove this downloadable file links text from the email and it wouldn't work, right? So when you click save, see, it doesn't work. It shows me that there's an error. And surprisingly, the error was that this should not be removed. It should be in the email. So keep that in mind and just paste your link and make sure you leave the downloadable file links text here as it is. And then you just go ahead and click on save and click next. And now this is the thank you page. People will see this page once they've already made their purchase. If you want, you can add more products here, more templates. If you want to create another section, for example, let's say you want to give away email templates now. So you click here on add section, email templates, and then add section. And then under this section, you're going to add your first product, right? So that's how you set up your digital store to sell your template. This not only works to sell funnels, if you have email templates, you can use a store to sell that as well. If you're into Canva and you love creating designs and some design templates, you can set up a store to sell that as well. So you can get creative and sell as many things as you want using your store without having the need to set up a funnel. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, like this video and comment below. If you want to learn more about System.io or how to leverage System.io and monetize your funnels, you join my private community, Success with System.io. There's a free trial, and then if you like being a part of the community, you can join us for just $7 per month. Inside, you get access to all my courses. You get access to live weekly sessions where you can ask your questions and get real-time responses. We can build your funnel together on the call, and you can also get access to all my funnel templates, all my high converting email templates, and you will learn about funnels and how I'm using funnels in my business to grow my business. All right, so the link to my community is in the comments and it's also in the captions. If you have any questions about the Success with System.io community, please drop in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.